Hello friends, again live. So now we are discussing. आज हम सीखेंगे कि सारेगामा पधनिसा की सबसे पहले स्केल्स क्या होती हैं। ठीक है, तो आपको सबसे पहले क्या याद करना है कि पहले तो ये देखना है कि इंडियन म्यूज़िक के हिसाब से आप लोगों को ये सारे जितने भी हैं, ये क्या नाम है, सारे स्ट्रिंग्स के आपको याद हो चुके हैं कि किस तरीके से पढ़ा जाता है फ्रेट बोर्ड को सारेगामा पधनिसा के हिसाब से। अब इसके बाद आती है बात कि अगर मैं, आपने जैसे YouTube पे देखा होगा या कहीं भी देखा होगा तो आपको ये पता है कि मतलब वेस्टर्न म्यूज़िक में जो होता है ABCDEFG और बाकी के मतलब प्योर नोट्स जो होते हैं, जैसे सारेगामा पधनिसा जो हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं उनको हम शुद्ध बोलते हैं। ठीक है, वैसे ही इंग्लिश में ABCDEFG नाम दिया गया है और प्योर नोट्स को, और उसमें से हमने क्या करना है कि जैसे कि एक्स्ट्रा नोट्स जो हमारे हैं, जैसे कि सा रे कोमल रे शुद्ध, ग कोमल ग शुद्ध, तो इनको कैसे समझा जाए, मेन ये चीज़ है। तो जैसे कि चलो मैं आपको एक थोड़ा सा थ्योरी वाइज एक समझा देता हूँ कि मेन तो थ्योरी है, थ्योरी से थोड़ा सा समझ में आ जाएगा कि एग्जैक्टली मतलब आप कैसे स्टार्ट कर सकते हो थ्योरी को, क्योंकि मेन तो थ्योरी है। तो देखो मैं आपको एक बेसिक तरीके से समझा देता हूँ लिख के। देखिए, तो मोबाइल भी होल्ड करना बड़ा डिफिकल्ट जॉब है, साथ साथ में मोबाइल भी चलाना पड़ता है। देखिए, हमने जो सप्तक पढ़ा था सा रे ग म प ध नि सा, तो इसको हम क्या करते हैं, शुरू से स्टार्ट करते हैं। जैसे कि यहाँ से हम नए सिरे से शुरू करते हैं। हम सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे कि हम पहले सप्तक लिखेंगे पूरा। ठीक है, तो हम सप्तक से शुरू करते हैं। सा रे कोमल रे शुद्ध, ग कोमल ग शुद्ध, देन म शुद्ध, म तीव्र, प ध कोमल, ध शुद्ध, नि कोमल, नि शुद्ध, सा। ठीक है, तो आखिरी वाले सा के ऊपर मैंने डॉट लगाया है ताकि आपको ये पता लग जाए कि ये हायर नोट का है और ये हमारा मिडिल नोट का है, मतलब नॉर्मल सा जहाँ से हम स्टार्ट करते हैं, जिसको हम बोलते हैं मध्य सप्तक, मतलब मिडिल ऑक्टेव। अब इसके बाद क्या है, हमें वेस्टर्न थ्योरी समझना है अगर, तो हम कैसे शुरू करेंगे। देखिए, आपको अगर ऐसे सप्तक को देख के आप जो सेम सेम नोट है उनको एक साइड कर दो और जो डिफरेंट अलग ऊपर नोट्स हैं उनको अलग कर दो, तो इससे आपको एक पैटर्न समझ में आएगा कि क्या पैटर्न बन रहा है या क्या डिज़ाइन बन रहा है। अगर मैं इसको एक स्ट्रक्चर में डिज़ाइन कर दूँ तो ये ऐसा बन जाएगा कि मैं कोमल कोमल स्वरों को एक अलग ब्लॉक में साइड कर देता हूँ। जैसे कि ये ग कोमल को मैंने एक अलग ब्लॉक में बना दिया, और फिर उसके बाद मैंने म तीव्र को एक अलग ब्लॉक में बना दिया, फिर ध कोमल को एक अलग ब्लॉक दे दिया और नी कोमल को मैंने अलग ब्लॉक दे दिया। तो ये सारे ना जितने भी नोट्स अलग अलग हो गए हैं। ठीक। अब इसके बाद आपको दिख रहे हैं प्योर सारे शुद्ध स्वर सारे ग म प ध नि सा। आपने रे कोमल ग कोमल म तीव्र ध कोमल को एक साइड कर दिया। अब इधर से आप इनको भी अलग अलग कर सकते हैं, इधर से लाइन खींच के। एक ये हो गया, इधर एक हो गया, फिर इधर के बाद आप ग और म के बीच में खींच दीजिए, फिर म के नीचे, ध के नीचे, नी के नीचे, ठीक है, और सा और नी के बीच में, और इधर एक आखिरी एक और लाइन खींच दीजिए। ठीक है, तो ये आपको पैटर्न समझ में आ रहा होगा। अब इधर से मैंने इसको भी एक ब्लॉक बना दिया। अब इन सब को ज्वाइन कर दिया। ठीक, ऊपर भी ज्वाइन कर दिया। अब देखिए, अब आपका पियानो का स्ट्रक्चर बन गया है कीबोर्ड का, है ना। तो अब आप देख सकते हैं कि कीबोर्ड का डिज़ाइन बन चुका है। अब मैं क्या करता हूँ कि ऐसे ही कंटिन्यू कीबोर्ड में आगे और भी नोट्स बना सकता हूँ। सेम रिपीट ही होगा इसके बाद पूरा। मतलब आप मान के चलें कि इसके बाद यहाँ पहुँच के सा के बाद फिर ये सा दोबारा से आ गया, फिर वही स्ट्रक्चर रिपीट होगा पूरा। आपको बस माइंड में इतना रखना है। अब इसके बाद आप क्या कर सकते हो, आपको डिज़ाइन बनाना जैसे पियानो का, तो एक नॉर्मल बेसिक डिज़ाइन बना लो पहले तो, ताकि आप बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर समझ सको। कीबोर्ड का स्ट्रक्चर भी क्या होता है आपको ये भी समझ में आ जाएगा। तो ये कीबोर्ड स्ट्रक्चर हो गया। ठीक है, ये देखिए आपका डिज़ाइनिंग कंप्लीट होता जा रहा है। नाउ यू विल अंडरस्टैंड हाउ is keyboard designed through 12 notes of music, in which there are 7 pure notes and 5 different notes. So how can we name them in Western? Because we want to also learn the Western music theory. How can Western musicians work? So this is the structure of basic piano. Okay, now we will remove the sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. So this is the piano structure. So now you will get the piano concept, how the piano is designed. Now we want to we already know saptak. Due to the saptak, these 5 notes are different and these 7 notes are different. So you can also count the number 1. You can also name the number, or you can generally name the number. It's okay, it's up to you. If you want to count the 12 notes line wise, so you can write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. 13th is the repeated note because this is the sa. This was the sa. Now we are taking the Western theory and we make some Western concepts. Let's understand it. How can we understand the Western theory? So first of all, you know alphabets are the basics A to Z, है ना. So now let's take the firstly we are taking as of theory we made that the 7 notes are the pure notes first of all. So you can also write the 7 pure notes also. One, you can say uh, 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 A, A, B, C, D, E. Oh, sorry, we are not giving the name again, but we count. So let's count the pure notes first. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 means sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. So first is sa and akhri last one is also sa. So now we are giving the name A B C D E F G. So we are taking firstly we are just start from the A. So let's name just give the name A B C D E F G up to the total 7 notes, because in music there are 7 notes. So let's start with the A B C D. So A B C D E F G, and it's completed 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and eighth one is repeated, that means A again repeat. So after the G, A repeat. So we have completed the theory concept. So now we will find the we will find the 5 notes remaining, so that we can complete the 12 notes theory. So how can we make let's start. If let's start the circle. First of all you have to write sa re ga ma pa dha ni, oh sorry, ni and sa. The sa circle is repeated, so again the sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa circle is there. So now we can continue with the ABCD. We can A B C D E F G A. Now let's check the circle of Saregama Padanisa and check the circle of ABCD EFG. Now we will find the extra notes, write the extra notes between them. Then re sa re komal, ga komal, sa re komal re shuddh, ga komal ga shuddh, ma tivra. Then pa dha komal, dha shuddh, ni komal, ni shuddh, and sa. So two notes are fixed, sa and pa. We all know two notes are fixed, sa and pa. Now the circle is this: sa to pa, pa to sa. Now we can check easily. The sa, re, ga, ma means 3 notes are in between sa and pa, and dha shuddh and ni shuddh are in between pa and sa. So there is a ratio of countings: 3 this side, 2 this side. So 3 is to 2 the ratio of notes between sa and pa. Now let's take A B C D E F G circle. Now how can we match this circle with this circle, so that we can create a Western theory of music notes, so that we can read our so that we can give the notes, the keyboard, a name, so that we can say we can give notes a name. So if you want to uh, find any note instantly, so you have to know the name of the keys, of 12 keys. So if I know the particular name of the key, so that I can say that please scale start with this key, I am singing with this key, so this key will be my sa. So how can we give the name? So first let's check it. A B C D E F G and sa and pa are the two fixed notes, and sa, between sa and pa there are 3 notes, or if you can say that the re komal, ga komal, ma tivra also. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, or in between pa and sa Dha komal, dha shuddh, ni komal, ni shuddh, sa. So one, two, three, four. Four notes are in between sa and pa, and pa and sa and pa between there are one, two, three, four, five, six. Six and four notes difference are in between sa and pa. Two fixed notes, 6 and 4. Or if you count as of pure notes, so the pure notes are 3 is to 2. Or if you count all the notes, then it's 6 is to 4. So it is 6 is to 4. Or if you count as a combination of musical notes, scale notes, then it's 2 is to 3. 2 is to 3 is for scale, and 6 is to 4 difference is for octave. Okay, so let's continue with the next. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now we will fix two notes first, so that we can also match our theory, musical theory, as our theoretical theory. ठीक है. So now we will fix any of the two notes, uh, because if you will read any of the Western theory in any of the books or any of the Google or any of the YouTube or any of the teacher of the Western, so you will find that there will be B fixed and E fixed. B note, they assumed that fix B and E, so that we can continue with the theory of music, because we are going to prove, yeah, we are going to prove the theorem, so that we can prove LHS equal to right HS. Okay, RHS. Because it's like a theorem combination, so we are going to prove a theorem. Let's suppose B and E are fixed, so let's connect B and E. So B and E fixed we have supposed. So now we have found that the E, between E and B there are three notes, and uh, you have to also remember that your voice should be bass voice, so that it looks like male voice. So B, between B and E there are two notes. Now we already got the combination. Now we can find, or we already find the differences. B, between E and B there is three notes, and between B and E there are two notes. This is for scale, as I already write this. 3 is to 2 combination is for scale. And if now we will find the different remaining names, so that we can complete our 12 notes theory of music. Now we will create extra 5 notes of the remaining notes. So B is fixed, so let's start with the E, because the combination is matched with the perfect E. So if we will match this and this, so that we have to just rotate and check between E and B, means between sa and pa there are three notes, same between E and B there are three notes. So we will make uh, E our sa and B our pa. Just suppose that. Or if you don't want to suppose, then don't suppose, because this is the natural theory of music, and this is the man-made theory or an artificial theory, just to give the name of the notes, so that we can know which note is which one. We want to give frequencies a name, but these are not the natural frequencies, and we are not singing them, because we are singing sarega padanisa only, and these are the natural frequencies of music. So now how can we give other frequencies the name just as match with this? So just forget this. Now let's just forget this. Now let's start with this, and we have to give only the names, F, G, A. Now we will start with the giving names. So we will uh, uh, if you want to match the theory, so uh, just check from this side. This is our sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. These are the shuddha notes. So if I am giving, I will give this uh, sa. So if I will suppose this sa is pa, so how can we match all the remaining notes? So let's start with the theory. Mm, so you can give all the notes. These are the two fixed notes, and if we want to give the remaining notes as of the remaining in this combination, sa, re, there is re komal, ga komal, and ma tivra. Means uh, two notes have komal swar, soft notes, and one is the sharp note. And in this side there is dha komal and ni komal. So this side is two komal notes and two pure notes, and this side two komal and one tivra, and remaining three pure notes. So now we will give uh, if you, because if you want to make a theory, or if you want to make a theorem, so you have to complete complete the 12 notes theory, because 12 notes are compulsory to match with this concept, so that we can give the names and particular frequency, so that we can start with our sa and we can play our music. So I am just giving completing the sorry, I am just completing the remaining five notes. I am making remaining five notes. So let's start making remaining five notes. We can make sharp notes, or we can make soft notes. It's upon us. If we will make the soft note, that means soft note is just mm, soft note is just before the pure note. So re komal is before the re shuddha. So if I will make f soft note, this will be called f flat. uh, okay. So if I'm making a soft, so that will be called a flat. So flat means flat, the sign of flat is a small b, and it flat means half note down. Flat means half note down. So if we are making a flat, that means a flat will be behind the a pure note, that means a flat. Now behind the g note, g flat. Behind the f pure note, f flat. And same, just make if just let write down firstly the theory. Let's give the name in this: a b c d e f g. Now a flat is just behind a, b flat is just behind b, c flat is just behind c, d flat is just behind d, e flat is just behind e. But we already have b and e are fixed. So B and E are fixed. So there will be no flat note for B and E. Okay. So remaining notes have flat notes. So A flat A, B, then C flat C, D flat D, E, F flat F, then G flat G, and A flat A. Now we can also give with the sharp note, because the ma shuddh and ma tivra, there are ma tivra is also, tivra means sharp. So English, in English we can say ma shuddh ma tivra. So if you want to make theory if you want to convert the theory in the sharp notes, you can also give them name sharp, but the sharp note is after the pure note, just like ma shuddh ma tivra. After the pure note there is tivra svar. So sharp note is always after the pure note. So let's start with the theory. So we can uh, give again the sharp note theory. So if we are going to make the sharp note, so sharp note will be just after that note. So if we are making A, so after A there will be A sharp, B is fixed. Now after C is C sharp, and after A is A sharp. Yes, okay, all right. So after A is A sharp and B is fixed. So after that B, C, then C sharp. After that D sharp, then E fixed. After E, F, then after F sharp, then G, after G sharp, and again A. That's, we have completed the theory. So we already got the 5 flat notes, remaining 5 flat notes. And also we got remaining sharp notes, 5 sharp notes. So if you want to find the relation between the flat notes and sharp notes, you can just easily find that. Let's start with the uh, different page from. So let's continue with you can also you can give again. Let's start again. So we can give name A sharp, B fix, B, after the B C, then after C is C sharp, because B and E are fixed. Just keep in mind that B and E are fixed, so B and E will not have another note. So A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E fixed, F, F sharp, G, G sharp. Now again A. So the theorem, our theorem is completed, concept is completed. A sharp, B fix, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F sharp, G, G sharp, A. Now we can also make in the form of flat notes. So let's start with A, B, A, B, just write down first A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and B and E are fixed. Just keep in mind B and E are fixed. So if we are making flat note theory, so C flat is before C, D flat is before D, and F flat is before F, and G flat is before G, and A flat is before A. So now we will continue with the theory that C flat, A flat, D flat, F flat, and G flat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got the 5 flat notes, and we got the 5 pure notes A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now we can say that if we want to give the flat form, you can just give in this concept. If you want to give the name flat notes, A sharp, your A sharp is your just behind the B note, just behind the B note. So before A sharp is before B. That means A sharp is half note behind the B. So we will call it's B flat. Okay. Now here is the C sharp. So C sharp is before D. So we will call it's a D flat. Now again your D sharp is behind E, half note back. So we will call it's E flat. Means E flat is D sharp. Now next F after G. Before G, F sharp means before G is F sharp. That means F sharp is G flat. And again here is the G sharp. So before A there is G sharp. So it is called A flat. So we have got the flat theory also, and we got the sharp theory. So if we want to give, so forward this concept. Okay. Now if we want to give the name, or if we want to remember the theory in the form of flat note or sharp notes, you can just remember this. You can make komal, you can remember in the form of soft notes, means komal notes, means flat notes, or you can remember the theory in the form of sharp notes. So this is the sharp note. So A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, E F sharp, G sharp, A. Okay. Or you can say that A sharp is B flat because A sharp is half note behind the B, before the B, and C sharp is half note before D. So we will call C sharp D flat, and D sharp E flat because E D sharp is half note behind the D, E. Now F sharp is just behind the G, so G flat, and G sharp is just behind the A half note, so G sharp is A flat. So our theory is completed now. Now we will also make the different notes out so that we can compare our piano also. We can remember our piano, or we can find our piano. Where is the piano? How can we give the music notes on piano? So this is our music notes theory. So this is complete theory. Now you can find the correlation between this this diagram and this diagram. So let's start. There are two black notes and three black notes. So here is the two black notes are this, and after that three black notes are these. So this is our theory. So 1 2 after this line, 1 2 after this line. Now after this line, before this line, now after this line there are three continuous black notes, 1 2 3. So this is 1 2, and this the rotation is 3 because this is A. After that A again, this note is continued. So this is the complete theory of notes. How can we remember the notes in Western also? Okay, so we have find all the names of the notes of the piano. Now just remember the notes theory and you can continue with your music. Just remember A sharp, B, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F sharp, G, G sharp, and A. Okay, so if we want to give in this form, you can start with this. This is C. You can just watch this. This is C. Okay, so C, then two notes, black notes, means two before two black note there is C. So start with the C. C sharp, D, D sharp, E is fixed, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, and C. So the concept is completed. C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, C. C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, C. So the concept is completed. We find all the notes of music in the Western also. Okay, so now we can also we can also read our guitar also. So if you want to write all the notes, so freshly just write. Let's start. Right. Uh, let's start with the C. C, D, E, F, G, A, and B. Okay, because a basic piano structure, we are taking the basic piano structure, the C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Now these are the notes, so we are writing here notes. Okay, so now we will first, we can also write just 12 notes line wise. If you want to write just okay, so now we can count all the 12 notes line wise. C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F sharp, G, G sharp, A, A sharp, B, and again C. Now write this side also. D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D. Now again write E, after E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, oh sorry, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F. Now G, G sharp, A, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G. A, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, D. So now we have completed the all notes theory. Okay, so we have finded all the 12 notes combination. Means we have finded all the 12 scales. If you want to, let's see, this is the C scale. Let's start with the C scale. This is C scale, and it's a combination of pure notes. Okay, so combination of pure notes means sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, and after that again sa will be repeated. Okay, but I am not making with the chorus. The page is not completed. So sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. So if we will write in between re komal, ga komal, ma शुद्ध ma तीव्र, pa dha komal, dha शुद्ध, ni komal, ni शुद्ध sa. So this is the chart of all the pure note combinations of matlab all pure note scales. Okay, so sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa means this is the major scales. These are the major scales. If we will find this, so these are the major scales. Means this is major scale. I am just writing it major scale. Okay, so this is the C major scale combination, and this is C sharp major scale combination, and this is D major scale, this is E major scale, F major scale, F sharp major scale, G major scale, G sharp major scale, A major scale, A sharp major scale, B major scale, and C major scale. Means C major scale means the combination of 7 notes. So this is the combination of 7 notes: C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Okay, so sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. But I have not written the sa you can also we I will make the another note theory and will show with you uh, uh, tomorrow. I will give complete theory concept tomorrow. So just remember that these are the major scales complete. Okay, so this is the major scale theory. So we will continue tomorrow with practical, so that we can know exactly what is the major scale. And continue with the theory again, I will make the another chart also, so that we can clearly know the 12 notes theory and how can we play the 12 notes theory and on guitar or piano, or how can we find the major scales on piano or guitar, so that we can start play our combinations on scales and find our song. So let's we continue with the theory tomorrow. Thank you. So I will continue tomorrow with the theory. Thank you friends for watching the video, live video. So we will I will continue tomorrow. 12 notes theory. So that was the music theory session. How can the music theory creates, or how can the theorem make, we can make the theorem or we can prove the theorem with our basic formula of music. So our basic formula of music is sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, and the sa re ga ma we have compared with the sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa our theory, and we made a western theory or a written theory, so that we can remember the names of the notes, and we can continue give the name of the notes, so that we can uh, find what are the notes on the guitar. Means we can give the name. If I am putting the finger on the fifth fret, and the string is 1 2 3, third string and the fifth fret. So what is the name of third string fifth fret? Third string fifth fret, if I am asking you what is the name of third string fifth fret, right now we don't know, but we will know tomorrow. How can we remember the names of the fretboard? How can we remember the names of the fretboard? Okay, so we will continue the western theory tomorrow, and we will find the notes names on guitar. Okay, thank you guys for watching the video. So I will continue tomorrow. Thank you.